Guys, हामी चाहिँ कहाँ जाने डेस्टिनेसन फिक्स गर्दैछौँ हैन म्यापिङ गर्दैछ हाम्रो दोस्तले
हामी चाहिँ कोरफक
and
waterfall okay
okay, all right, so we are heading there and this is me, the Jindagi blogger, and this is my bro Dost Suk bro is Mr. Safal. So would you like to say anything more, sir?
How are you guys? Welcome to Ganesh Newpane's vlog.
Oh.
And now today we are going on a trip.
Yeah.
And we are aiming to visit all 7 states of the UAE.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Starting from Dubai, Sharjah, Al Ain, Al Quaid, what is it?
Yeah, we'll we'll round the UAE.
Abu Dhabi.
We'll circle the UAE. And would you like to say anything?
He's our driver.
Yeah, driver. Okay. So the main person here, the designer, the guide, the driver, the engineer, everything for this trip. And these are. So would you like to say anything, sir?
No, sir, I don't have
Say some words, man.
He's a little bit shy, guys.
Yeah, he's a kind of shy guy. So, okay, guys. So we'll see you there.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? Wow. I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas cross the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they did throw my raps on the facts. So they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones. I got big packs coming on the way. I got coming in the same. Got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us and the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lap every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to say pose with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, let them good go away. Ain't about to die with no money out in game. I was on top. I don't wanna change cause I'm good around Max. Mom top, so I'm always good around Max. Word to Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in a trap. Couple figures to the store, hit the left. She fucking nigga that she on to the next. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their Reference हुन्छ एटलिस्ट 2-3 महिनामा के मैले बिर्सिन भयो नि हैन यसरी आके टक्क मिलाएर हैन गुड लामो टनेल कस्तो शीतल भयो है नि एक्सिल एक्स्ट्रा कोल्ड ड्रिङ्क भयो
तैँले त खोले नि त बुढी खोले
Wow, Seiko. कति मिठो शब्द हो यार
दाइको त नाच्ने यस्तो मात्रै हो
See you out in traffic, you was looking nervous. Ran it up on that shit, then they thought it was on purpose. I know for a fact I'm blasting out, I never get you worse.
This is Khor Fakkan, guys. The UAE's beautiful part, the hilly town, Khor Fakkan is here with us. And we are driven in between of beautiful mountains. And in the steering, in the shade, there is Sort Tripathi, and in the side there is Mr. Safal Funta here. We're wearing a beautiful gog, and this is KP here, and in my side there is also a bro. We're rocking and chilling the time, guys. Yup, we're vibing in the good music. Yeah. हामी चाहिँ हिँड्दैछौँ
तेरो ब्लगमा
Start. दोस्रो
होइन जसले पनि ब्लग हेर्छ एउटा कुरा भन्न चाहन्छु चाह्यो भने केही पनि हुँदैन जो कुरा हुन्छ अचानक हुन्छ
like this is our trip, like
this is our trip. It occurs like suddenly, we didn't plan for it.
Yeah, of course.
यस्तै चीजमा फेरि मजा पनि
it's a kind of sudden plan, and we just arrived here like it's a dream place for everybody. This place supposed to
हामी पनि एक्सिडेन्टली जन्मेको हो
That's why do not plan, live it well.
Everything is mystery.
Yeah, wherever you go, whatever you do,
explore it.
Enjoy the time, enjoy the place, enjoy the moment, guys.
Life is mystery.
This is Khor Fakkan. Wow, man, wow. That's cool. That's cool, guys. त्यो पानी कहाँ माथिबाट मोटर लगाएर जेनेरेटर लगाएर चढाएको होला त्यसलाई फेरि राम्रो प्रिपरेसन गरेर राम्रो व्यवस्थापन गरेर त्यो पानीलाई यस्तो मतलब सुन्दर तरिकाले तल खसालेको छ के यो झरना हो। हाम्रो देशमा हाम्रो नेपालमा यो प्राकृतिक रूपमा हुन्छ, यहाँ कृत्रिम रूपमा चाहिँ यिनीहरूले यस्तो झरना बनाएर दुनियाँ यहाँ हेर्न आएको हुन्छ हैन। द्याट्स द ब्युटिफुल पार्ट अफ UAE। वाउ, कति मनमोहक छ यार, हेर्नुस् त। वाउ 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 वाउ, व्हाट अ प्लेस टु भिजिट। ठुलो कुरा कस्तो के युनिक के टेक्नोलोजी भनेको यसरी हो कि सेटअप गर्ने व्यवस्थापन गर्ने। यो तपाईँले देखिरहनु भएको ग्यास सिलिन्डर जस्तो छ नि हैन, डिभाइस इक्विपमेन्ट हेर, यो चाहिँ स्पिकर हो कि खासमा, जमिन मुनि गाडेर स्पिकर यहाँ फिट गरिएको छ क्या खोरफोकानमा। यस्तो राम्रो यार म्यानेजमेन्ट। यो म्युजिक डिभाइसबाट चाहिँ बजिरहेको है, कहीँ स्पिकर। गाइज हामी चाहिँ खोरफोकानको यही समुद्रमा छौँ, समुद्रको तटमा। निकै सुन्दर दृश्य छ, फोटो खिच्न भनेर हामी यहाँ एकछिन समय छुट्याएका छौँ। मेरो साथीहरू चाहिँ फोटो खिच्दै हुनुहुन्छ है, नयाँ नयाँ डिफ्रेन्ट पोज दिएर फोटो खिच्नेहरूको यहाँ लाइन छ निकै लामो। यसकै लागि आउने हो खासमा त यहाँ फोटो खिचौँ, सम्झनाहरूलाई कैद गरौँ क्यामेरामा, यी दृश्यहरूलाई कैद गरौँ मनमा। त्यो नै उद्देश्य हो यहाँ आउनुको। ओभरअल खोरफोकानको सिनारी यस्तो छ है। त्यो चाहिँ झरना, त्यही हामीले अघि देखाएको। खासमा यही झरनालाई चाहिँ यो ठाउँको पहिचान भएको। त्यसपछि अनि बल्ल सामुद्रिक तट, फेरि यो पहाडी ल्यान्डस्केप, अनि सुन्दर दृश्यहरू बल्ल त्यसपछि आएका हुन्। कडा चाहिँ कडा हो पोज होइन, बस। शाहरुख खान वाला दे न, शाहरुख खान वाला दे। यो देवदास वाला भयो। वाह, फोटो कडा हाँस्छ है केटा। Cameraman ko. Wow. So, anything to say in this place? Beautiful place, beautiful time. Yeah, Mr. Safal Panta is here with us. He is going vacation after 2 days.
Now we had a really good time, and this waterfall, I don't know what to call it.
Khorfokkan Jarana.
Khorfokkan
Waterfall.
Yeah, so we had really good time. So now we are heading towards Atta. Flight is Malakwe.
Okay.
152 kilometers from.
Okay. Did you miss anything in Nepal after seeing this?
Yeah.
Did you miss anything in Nepal after seeing this here?
Yep, absolutely.
What you missed more?
Because of these hills, small hills.
Okay.
Natural beauties.
Okay.
And I was quite
So
surprised.
it's a weekend.
UAE has this beautiful
Okay.
nature as well. So
Yeah,
I was
that's
quite
cool. That's
surprised,
cool,
like,
man.
Connected.
Okay. Can we compare anything with our country's
No, because,
beauty?
It does have these hills.
Okay.
Hills, but it lacks in greenery.
Greenery. The main lack here is greenery.
It lacks in greenery.
Okay.
So
But still, they made the creature here.
yep.
They made
They
the nature
created
here.
and they try to replicate
Yeah,
the
yeah.
natural beauties.
Yeah, yeah.
And
They didn't have anything, but still they
they
created
try
the
to
nature
replicate-
here.
they try to
That's
resemble
beautified,
the
man.
natural beauty, which
Okay.
and attracts a lot of tourists.
Yeah,
like
that's
it
right.
attracted
Right,
us.
right.
We
Agree.
have seen these natural beauties in our country.
Yeah.
Now
Absolutely.
we've seen it here, which is, of course, it's a man.
Really incredible, yeah.
Like a natural.
World should lesson, it's a lesson for the world that, There is nothing impossible. If you don't have anything, you can create everything.
You can create.
Yes.
Creation
There was
itself is God.
there was no
There is
nature
no such
at all.
God. Creation itself is God.
कुन लिँदा खुसीले त्यो मिक्सअप हुनुभन्दा बेटर सही हामी चाहिँ हल्का नाइट आउटको लागि तयारी हुँदैछ एज युजुअल डोन्ट माइन्ड है होइन मिक्सअप नगरौँ त्यही ठिक छ त्यही ठिक टु दुईटा लिउँ दुईटा होइन के गर्ने लिउँ न पर्दैन होइन बियर हुन्छ दुईटा चाहिँ लिउँ राउन एक्स्ट्रा नपुग्नु भन्दा एक्स्ट्रा बरु फालिदिउँ होला नि के भएर होइन गाइस सो we'll throw if it is extra फेरि भन् त ना त केही नबोल के त दोस्त केही नबोल guys we're in the liquor shop this is the big one black label this is demo it's a kind of strategy of marketing 499 500 oh man when I'll go Nepal I will take this one to my बुवा त पिउनु हुन्न के अरे फ्यामिलीलाई अरू पिउने ड्रिङ्क्स गर्ने रिलेटिभ्सहरूको लागि चाहिँ यो एज अ गिफ्ट लैदिनु पर्ने छ यसो अकेजन दसैँको लागि अरू बेला सधैँ खाइरहने पिरहने कुरो होइन यो सो रमाइलो गेट टुगेदर गर्ने बेलामा चाहिँ सो गाइस वी आर इन UAE's Hatta area so this is the bar drinks liquor shop we just intend to take some drinks as we are staying here for the night okay we'll be together after short time so
तिमी बिना हातको हात गडी तिमी बिना हातको हात गडी हातमा लगाएको रोलेक्सको घडी तिमी बिना अधुरो मेरो दिवाना कोहीकै बिना अधुरो तेरो दिवाना तिमी बिना अधुरो मेरो दिवाना रामरे आऊ तिमी मुसको घामरी मुर्केरी बना तिमी बिना अधुरो मेरो दिवाना तिमी बिना अधुरो मेरो दिवाना तिमी बिना अधुरो मेरो दिवाना हाम्रो बारे जानकारी खोज्नेलाई हाम्रो बारे जानकारी खोज्नेलाई यो राम्रो र त्यो राम्रो फुर्केरी माना अधुरो
गाइस हामी चाहिँ हत्ता आइपुगिसकेका छौँ हैन यो सुन्दर ठाउँमा हामीले भर्खर मात्र यहाँ हाम्रो आगमन भइसकेको छ हाम्रो स्वागतमा चाहिँ कोही पनि उपस्थित छैन अगाडि ओइ खोल्न यो ल खोल्न ओइ ड्राइभर खोइ त साथीहरु हामी चाहिँ हट्टा भिजिट गरेर फर्किँदैछौं फर्किने क्रममा चाहिँ हामी दुबई र ओमानको बोर्डरमा छौं बीचमा यहाँ बोर्डर क्रस गर्ने क्रममा चाहिँ भेहिकलहरुको नियमित प्रक्रिया बमोजिम चेक जाँच हुँदैछ हामी चेक जाँचमा छौं प्रतीक्षा गर्दै छौं पुलिसले डकुमेन्टहरु स्क्यानिङ गर्दै छ हामी लिगल छ छैनौ हैन हामी यहाँबाट युटर्न गर्न सक्छौं कि सक्दैनौ जो लिगल्ली अथोराइज छ त्यो मान्छेहरु मात्र यहाँबाट युटर्न गर्न सक्छ त्यो गाडीहरु मात्रै
किनभने उतापट्टि ओमान छ फ्रन्ट साइडबाट हेर्नुहोस् त्यो अगाडि देख्नु भएको छ ओमान त्यो ओमान हो हामी चाहिँ अहिले युएईमा छौँ यो लाइन कट्ने बित्तिकै यो देखिरहेको लाइन कट्ने बित्तिकै हामी ओमान पुग्छौँ त्यो ट्रक गइरहेको ठाउँ चाहिँ ओमान गाइस गाडी पुरा स्क्यान हुन्छ यहाँ हैन गाडी स्क्यानिङ हुन्छ मान्छे स्क्यानिङ हुन्छ क्राइम रेकर्ड छ कि छैन गाडीमा कुनै सस्पिसियस आइटम यताउति इलिगल सब्सटेन्स छ कि छैन सबै फुल्ली मेक स्योर गरेर मात्रै यिनीहरूले अलाउ गर्छ है दिस इज UAE law you need to follow off. Guys, after the long procedure and tickets we have just got the permission to take U-turn from Oman to UAE. So this is the way, guys, and it's a kind of costume, it's a procedure. It takes a bit time, a bit irritating, but still we have to follow because it's a law. In every country we need to follow that and we need to respect the law. Okay, guys, so this is the thing. We're heading back to Dubai. Yeah, this is the way. And our boy, our dost, Mr. Ishwar is driving safely. So, and Dubai, we just entered to Dubai now again, guys. Thank you. We're in our way back.